I posted this on Pinterest 6 years ago, and it is still one of my #1 things that gets repinned. So I thought I would show here on YouTube how to create this really fun Easter gift. Now this quote is a printable that is free on my blog, and I'll put the link below if you'd like to use this same idea. So I started off with basically just the quotes, and this is what it looks like when it's done. So let me show you how to do it. I picked up some cardstock from Walmart in some different colors. I think it was under $5 for all of this cardstock. And then I printed out a bunch of my quotes because I'm giving this to my Sunday school class, to neighbors, to friends. Once I get going on them, I love to make a lot of them. So you just cut them out and then get a glue stick. And you want the quote part to be just a little bit smaller than the cardstock. And really any size of this will work. It is sized in my printable, but you can size it up or down according to what your preference is. And then you just put that white piece right on top of the cardstock. And you'll see that it's just so easy. Really, you could do this craft with small children and it would work out great. And after you make a bunch of those, get some Easter candy. Now, I definitely recommend that you get candy that is pre-wrapped. I think our days of us handling candy and putting it in eggs are gone, other than maybe for our own immediate family. But if you're giving these away, you definitely want to have some sort of pre-wrapped candy. Now, I'm going to show you how to do this with a clear cellophane bag, just so you can see through it. But I have used cellophane bags that have egg pattern or whatever different patterns you like. I can pick those up at the Dollar Tree. I've ordered them through Oriental Trading. I've picked them up at Walmart. Really, you can find these cellophane bags everywhere, and they cost about $2 for 20. You know, at $1 for 10, maybe at the dollar store. Then you just wrap it with some ribbon. It's so fast, so easy, and I definitely like to curl my ribbons just a little bit after I get them tied on. And you'll see this is just, it's got to be one of the fastest little craft treats that you can do. Then I found these little foam double stickers at the Dollar Tree, and I use them for all kinds of things. I love them. They're so handy. But I like it because it just takes up a little tiny spot, but it really does hold the cards on secure to your little package. And that's all there is to it. And I just love to be able to celebrate Easter and have little treats, but still remember what the reason is for the season. So there you go. Share this out where you can. And make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you again soon. Thank you for stopping by.